Hello everyone, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can scan Pinterest code. So, in order to open the scanning interface, boot up the mobile Pinterest application. Then among the sections you have to your bottom, go for the search. In here, at the search bar you'll find this little camera icon which you want to tap on. Once this interface gets, camera interface gets launched, take the Pinterest code that you wanted to scan and simply, place it inside the viewfinder. And as you can see, once the code gets recognized, you will be forwarded to whatever Pinterest page that this code was created out of. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. We highly appreciate your attention. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.